Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching my next best. The Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro finally arrived. I'm going to quickly do the unboxing and we'll see what we have. This came from the courier company, so I'm just going to take off this box and get straight into the actual product. I'm just going to take this off. Okay, and here's the box that has arrived. Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro, and not a lot written around, just the branding and things like that. It's the 6GB 128GB model, and that's what it is that we have. I'm gonna quickly just take off the upper plastic. Remember, this is a quick unboxing and review. It's not a full review. I'm going to do a full review after this. And nice and soft. It's not as soft though. It takes a while to just get this off. Okay, so in the box we've got the this little yellow box, which's got the case. And in this occasion, I see the case is much better. Like it's quite good. It's not amazing, but it's better. It's going to give you all-round protection on the screen, which was missing on the Poco F3, which I saw, and Poco F4, the new one as well, which I've quite recently got my hands on. But this is the case. This is the condom case that comes with this, and there's obviously the SIM ejector tool, and let's go straight onto the phone. Here's the phone. I'll keep it on the side and see what we have inside. There's a 33 watt fast charging on this box. It sounds senseless in 2022, but this is what we have. It's got the UK plug, which is going to be good. So the UK plug's there for 3 watt charging, and the cable, of course, the Type-C cabling, Type A to Type-C cable, the orange color. And let's quickly just jump onto the phone. This is the phone that we have, and it's got 90 Hz full HD plus AMOLED dot display, dual speakers, 64 megapixel high resolution triple camera at the back, with the ultra wide and the macro lenses, 33 watt pro fast charging, 5000 milliamp hour battery, and high performance MediaTek Helio G96 processor with liquid cool technology 1.0 plus. It's an upgrade from an F3, but obviously the processor is absolutely different. And this is the phone, and here we have the phone. Let's just get rid of the cover and case. It's a different style or design, as you might want to call it. It's a flat surface design, as you can see, and this looks a lot nicer, to be honest, than the curved edges and the curved kind of design. It looks a lot more sturdier, to be honest. It's a bit heavy and a little bit on the heavier side, given the 5000 milliamp hour battery inside. And it seems a bit sturdy. It's got the fingerprint magnet, obviously. The black is plastic, it's not glass, but it's quite heavy, courtesy the battery inside. And let's take this off. The model information. The model is called 2201117PG. And let's just take this out. And here's the phone in all of its glory. The camera mesh, the 64 megapixel camera, 8 and 2 megapixel. It's the sort of configuration. AI branding there, the flash 64 megapixel, and the big Poco logo, and this recycling information and Xiaomi communication and things. I really hate this bit. Whenever you see this, it's sort of too much on the phone. But in terms of the other physical configurations, you've got a massive speaker grill at the top, with the 3.5mm headphone jack, the infrared blaster, It's got NFC, it's got the other dual set of speakers. This is probably the primary and this is the secondary. Type-C connector and dual cancel. The primary microphone, and the other one's the dual, the secondary microphone. And that's what it is, really. I'm just going to quickly turn it on. It's got the power button here, and it also happens to be the fingerprint sensor with the volume rockers at the top. Let's just keep it on here, or maybe just use the condom case and see how it looks with this on. I think it's, in my view, this is quite the right size for a phone, and this is how it looks with the case. MIUI 13, you could just set things up. United Kingdom, and Poco launcher, yeah, fine. Skip this step. Next. I'm going to skip this, the Wi-Fi setup and things like that, accept. And skip the fingerprint thing and stuff like that. Yeah, and agree, accept cookies and things like that. Okay, so setup is complete already. That was quick. So we've got the phone almost ready to be getting onto its main screen, on the home screen. Loading apps takes a while to get there. Because obviously it's got quite a bit of bloatware as well installed, so there are quite a few apps that it needs to load in. And interestingly, you've got this cover which can protect your Type-C port as well, the way I've just done it. Just push it in and it gets right in there. So we're waiting for the home screen to come in. You're ready to rock. Setup complete. MIUI 13, Android 12, and just waiting on that, really. And what else do we have? We've covered everything, really, and it should be coming up any moment. It does take quite a bit of time to load, and there we are. With the physical button at the bottom. The display looks amazing. This is the AMOLED display, or the dot display, AMOLED dot display, but this display looks really good. And if I was to, I would probably just first things first, I would want to just get rid of the buttons. I don't like these. Button, B-U-T-T, well, sorry, B-U-T-T-O-N. The only thing I hate of all buttons. I prefer the full screen gesture. Back. Yeah, that's it. Alright, full screen indicator, that's fine. And there we are. And yeah, also the display. It's a 90 Hz full display, so we can just change that as well. Refresh rate 60 Hz at the moment, and we're now switching to 90 Hz. And there we are. It looks nice and smooth. Yeah, nice and smooth. This is the control center at the top, with all its configuration and things. NFC is enabled. It's got all those features and things that you'll have with your normal high-end phone. Here's the camera. Let's have a look at the camera, and let me just quickly take a picture of this charging brick in a good light condition, and hopefully we've got quite a few, yeah, there are quite a few settings there, but yeah, let's take another picture and see, and let's take a picture of the box with the logo. See how this looks. Okay, let's take a look at the pictures, shall we? Maybe just turn it like this and see. This is how looks. It's got a protective screen protector on top, which is like slipping, which I don't like, to be honest. But the pictures are really good. Look at the camera, it's amazing. It's picked up all the details.